Hello everyone, welcome to the channel OCS by Ranjan. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କହି ରଖୁଛି ଯେ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ସବୁ ଅପକମିଂ ପିଜି ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଉଛନ୍ତି OCS by ରଞ୍ଜନ ଆପ୍ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ୍ କରିକି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହୋଇପାରିବେ ଏବଂ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ସହ ମଧ୍ୟ ଚାଟ୍ କରି ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିପାରିବେ। ଆପ୍ରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଚାଟ୍ ବକ୍ସ ଆଭେଲେବୁଲ୍ ରହିଛି। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି ଡିସ୍କସ୍ କରିବା 2025 CPET Geography question paper. Question number 1. Present is the key to the past. Which of the following concept of geomorphology addresses this? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए बेस लेवल। Question number 2. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a asthenosphere? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए it is a mechanically weak and ductile region. Question number 3. Three of the following formations are principally composed of granite while the other one is primarily composed of basalt. Identify the solitary one. ठीक आंसर टी हबो seal. Question number 4. Which of the following mountain systems is different from the other three in terms its mode of formation? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी। 5. Distinguish the volcano from the other three in terms of its current activity. ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी। Question number 6. Which of the following areas in India comes under low intensity earthquake zone 2? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए द अंडमान island. 7. Which of the following erosive action is not a characteristic of fluvial erosion? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए। Question number 8. The prime cause of the formation of which of the following phenomena is headward erosion? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए। Question number 9. Three of the following features of wind erosion are synonymous. Identify the other one. ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी। 10. Which of the following weathering process is characteristically different from the other three? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी। 11. When the contours are apparently circular and concentric, the landform is called a? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए। Question number 12. Which of the following statement regarding meridians on earth is not correct? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी। The prime meridian passes through Greenwich in London. Question number 13. What will happen if you are flying across the international date line from west to east? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए। 14. Which of the following types of map is drawn without a map projection? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी। 15. Which of the following is a conformal map projection? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए। Question number 16. Four maps of the same area are being prepared to the following scales. Which of the same would be the largest in size? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी। 17. Who among the following ethnic groups are pastoralists? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी। 18. Latin American culture is very similar to? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए एंग्लो अमेरिकन कल्चर। 20. Which of the following tribal groups in India belong to a racial group different from the other three? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी। 20. The shoestring pattern of rural settlement is otherwise identified as. ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए. 21. Which of the following phenomena occurs in the ionosphere? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी. 22. Which of the following surfaces on the earth produces the maximum albedo? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी. Snow surface. An imaginary line joining the places of equal atmospheric density on the weather maps is known as isobar. In atmospheric motion, the concept of Ekman's spiral is related to. ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए. 25. What is usual direction of equatorial westerlies in southern hemisphere? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी. 26. Which of the following local winds blows out from the polar regions? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए. blizzard. Question number 27. Frontal rainfall is usually associated with. ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए. 28. Which of the following types of cloud is a high level cloud? ठीक आंसर टी हला ऑप्शन ए. 29. Which of the following symbols is used for the mid latitude, steppe and desert climates in the Köppen scheme of climatic classification? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी. 30. Who among the following designed the thermometer to measure the minimum and maximum temperature of a period? ठीक आंसर टी हबो 6. 31. The widest of the continental slips of the world is. ठीक आंसर टी हबो the North Sea Shelf. 32. Which one of the following is the longest of the trenches in the world? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए. 33. Which among the following seas is known as the salt sea? ठीक आंसर टी हला the Dead Sea. 34. Out of the following four cold current, which one is dissimilar considering their mode of flow? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए. 35. When the moon is either new, full or closest to the earth, the position is known as. ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी. Question number 36. The theories of three of following theorists on the origin of atolls and reefs are almost identical. Who is the other one? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी. Question number 37. Considering the association between the desert and the ocean current in the given pairs, identify the incorrect pair. ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी. Question number 38. Which among the following theories of tides is based on the idea that tides occur at different times at different places on the same longitude? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए कैनाल थ्योरी. 39. Which of the following sources of secondary data in India can be considered as universal? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी Statistical yearbooks. 40. Which among the following values given in the option is the mode of the following variables? ठीक आंसर टी हबो 75 ऑप्शन सी. 41. Which of the following statistical measure can be graphically obtained by drawing gifts of both less than type and more than type? ठीक आंसर टी हबो मीडियन. 42. A new variable x1 obtained by computing the standard scores of the values of the old variable x1 is equal to x minus x dash divided by n. What will be the values of mean and standard deviation SD of the new variable x1? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए मीन इज इक्वल टू 0 SD इज इक्वल टू 1 ऑप्शन बी ठीक आंसर टी हबो क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 The number of household in village of an area is grouped with equal class interval and a frequency table is prepared. What is the total number of villages in the area if the following statistics of group data is computed for the area? Median is 14, median class interval 12 minus 18, frequency of median class 12, number of village with less than 12 households 18. ठीक आंसर टी हबो 44 ऑप्शन बी क्वेश्चन नंबर 44 द फॉलोइंग टेबल्स give the mean and mean deviation of rainfall in centimeter. Which among the places has the most erratic rainfall? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी 45. A student computed the product movement coefficient of correlation between pairs of variable as given in the following option. Which of the same has apparently erroneously been calculated? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी क्वेश्चन नंबर 46 Consider the interrelationship within the pairs of district and places. The identify the odd pair. ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए In which of the following tracks in the Odisha coastal plain the northwest? ठीक आंसर टी हबो बालेश्वर कोस्टल ट्रैक्ट 48. Three of the following streams in Odisha originate from a common highland area. ठीक आंसर टी हबो द इंद्रावती 49. Three of the following streams of Mahanadi catchment area are tributaries of the main stream. Identify the exception. ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए 50. Which of the following waterfall is situated on the Machkund river? ठीक आंसर टी हबो द डुडुमा 51. Which of the following district is the largest producer of maize in Odisha? ठीक आंसर टी हबो गजपति. Which of the following iron ore mines is located in district different from the other three? ठीक आंसर टी हबो बड़बिल 53. अनुगुल दामनजोड़ी झारसुगुड़ा ऑप्शन ए ब्रजराजनगर 54. Which of the following cities in Odisha is different from the other three in terms of its functional specialization? ठीक आंसर टी हबो बरहमपुर 55. In which of the following areas of Odisha one can commonly notice dispersed rural settlement? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए 56. The system which by its constant operating environment restores its equilibrium or steady state behavior if it faces some external interventions is known as ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए 57. Who developed the concept of chorology in geography? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी 58. Who was known as the father of the French geography? ठीक आंसर टी हबो Option D. Who among the following Greek geographers estimated the circumference of the earth? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी 60. Which Arab geographer described the geography of India in detail? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए 61. Which of the following activity is different from the other three on the basis of the occupational category? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी मैनेजमेंट. 62. Which of the following fishing banks is the richest fishing ground of the southern hemisphere? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए. Question number 63. In which of the following grassland areas extensive ranching is carried out? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी. Question number 64. The cropping of forest spices is known as? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी. 65. Whose theory is otherwise known as the theory of isolated state? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी. 67. Which one of the following has a cold desert environment? ठीक आंसर टी हैला ऑप्शन बी. 68. Which of the following elements of ecosystem is known as autotrophs? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी प्रोड्यूसर. 69. Which one of the following is cold boreal forest biome? ठीक आंसर टी हैला ऑप्शन सी. 70. Which of the following UNEP sponsored environmental programs aims to create a global movement in which children and youth will actively participate in sustainable development? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी. 71. Which one of the following regions is topologically different from the other three? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी. 72. Whose theory has great influence upon Francois Peros in propounding the growth fold theory? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी. 73. Which of the regional planning model emphasizes upon decentralized planning? ठीक आंसर टी हबो community development planning ऑप्शन बी. 74. Which 5-year plan was failure in India as it was unable to meet its growth target? ठीक आंसर टी हबो सेकेंड. 75. The Niti Aayog replaced the Planning Commission of India on the 1st January 2015. What is its primary focus? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी. 76. What is the HDI rank of India as per the UNDP report 2023 to 2024? ठीक आंसर टी हबो 132. 77. Which of the following types of GPS receivers are the most accurate type used for geodetic applications? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी. 78. Which tool in geoprocessing combines multiple dataset of the same geometry type into a single new output dataset including both spatial and attribute data? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए बफर टूल. 79. Which of the following active sensor used in remote sensing is an scanning com imaging type sensor? ठीक आंसर टी हबो डी रियल aperture radar. 80. Which type of resolution of an imaging system refers to how often it records imagery of a particular area, which means the frequency of repetitive coverage? ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन ए 81 which type of orbit is used by the GPS satellite ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन डी 82 which is commercial high resolution system operated by GOI ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन बी 83 in which of the following order would you notice the peaks when moving along the Himalayas from west to east ठीक आंसर टी हम द नंगा पर्वत नेक्स्ट द अन्नपूर्णा द कांचनजंगा नेक्स्ट द नमचा बरवा एटा अछि कोठी ऑप्शन बी रे 84 three of the following are mountain passes located on the western ghat while the fourth one is located on different range identify it ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए 85 three of the following are tributary streams of a major river in India while the fourth one is not which is the fourth one ठीक आंसर टी हबो द इंद्रावती 86 what causes precipitation in the Kashmir valley during the winter month ठीक आंसर टी हबो नॉर्थ ईस्ट monsoon 87 which type of soil found in India is a zonal soil that is fertile clad and rich in minerals like iron, magnesium and potassium which develops cracks in summer ठीक आंसर टी हबो black soil 88 which of the following tree species grown in the Indian forest is also called the East Indian mahogany ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी 89 which state in India has recorded the highest decadal growth rate of population during 2001 to 2011 period ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी मेघालय 90 the existing hydel project in India has the largest production capacity ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए 91 in which of the following places was a charcoal based iron mill started in India ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी 92 the Nanded railway division comes under the jurisdiction of the ठीक आंसर टी हबो the South Central Railway 93 which scheme of regionalism of India into planning regions emphasized upon the following two objectives ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए CS चंद्रशेखर 94 where do the north south and east west corridor of national highway intersect each other ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए 95 out of the following drought prone areas in India which one experience extreme drought ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी 96 which place in India has come to limelight of late due to mercury poisoning leading to a serious environmental disaster ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी 97 developed countries may attract migrants to fill low skilled jobs that native workers are unwilling to do which of the following theories of migration is applicable in this case ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए 98 most of the third world countries are in which stage of demographic transition at present? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी सेकेंड 99 which of the following resources is different from the other three in terms of exhaustibility? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए एआर 100 which of the following slums is located in a metropolis different from the other three? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी